let's begin with some big breaking news that we are getting for you at this point in time, and this is about the much-awaited Waqf Amendment Bill. And now we are learning that the government will be tabling the Waqf Bill tomorrow at noon. That's the big news that we are getting for you right now. A short while ago, we had the Business Advisory Committee meeting, and political fireworks, as expected, were witnessed in that meeting as well. That's what we have learned from sources. Sources say that the opposition has demanded a 12-hour debate on the Waqf Bill after it is tabled in the Parliament. Now, viewers, remember, this is the last week of the ongoing budget session of Parliament. 4 days are left, and this is the much-awaited bill. And Pragya, my colleague, is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, so there is some clarity. Home Minister Amit Shah confirmed to us right here during Times Now Summit that this very significant bill is going to be tabled in the Parliament in this session of Parliament only. And now we are learning that finally it's coming to the Sansad tomorrow at noon.
Absolutely, and this is a very important and big decision by the government, and that is why they wanted reforms in the Waqf. Now the government has also made it clear that tomorrow they are bringing in Waqf Amendment Bill. There was some debate in the Business Advisory Committee, of which many political parties are also a member. They were wanting a debate on Manipur, they were wanting a debate on EPIC, and there were other issues that they want debate on. But government said that we can give 8 hours for on opposition parties said 12 hours on Waqf, and on Manipur, you can have debate another day, which we did not agree to. And on this point, all the opposition parties have walked out of Business Advisory Committee, which was held in the room of Speaker Lok Sabha. So it is given for a fact that opposition parties are going to participate in the Waqf debate, but they are very upset. They are saying there is no point in attending BAC when our voices are not heard. So basically, we will see some kind of opposition from the opposition parties right now, even on Waqf, and also on how BAC has been managed. So the opposition parties have made it very clear that they are upset that their voices are not being heard, and they say that even if we speak on Waqf in the House, the same thing is going to be repeated. However, they all agreed to be a participant in the debate, and we will see some showdown in the House over the Waqf. We are the Congress and the other opposition parties are very critical of this particular bill.
Right, very interesting details you are bringing to us, Pragya. So at least there is going to be debate on the Waqf Amendment Bill. Opposition is ready to participate in that. Pragya, I also want to understand from you who all from the opposition were there in this BAC meeting that happened just a short while ago. From